Hello, I'm Thinev. Today we talk about a bird that in the male and female have a truly contrasting difference. The plum-headed parakeet. The plum-headed parakeet is a parakeet in the family Psittacidae. A brightly colored parakeet. It is endemic to the Indian Subcontinent. Males have a plum-colored head while females have grayish-blue head. They fly swiftly with twists and turns accompanied by their distinctive calls. Mostly kept as pets, while escaped birds were spotted in Florida, New York and in the Middle East. Their calls are like locally named Pandu Girawa. I have not seen the plum-headed parakeet. One such place you can see them is in the mountain range of Adam's Peak. Did you know that on top of the Adam's Peak there is a footprint? While Buddhists believe this is of Lord Buddha, while Hindus believe it is of either Hanuman or Lord Shiva, and Christians and Muslims believe it is of Adam or Saint Thomas.